The hurricane check. Are you ready?
It's not true.
You make the people you love do things that are going to enrich them. Enrich them. Push the green button.
I am not going to
push the green button. I'll push the green button. Oh, you got it?
Since 2001,
oh my God.
Destruction in the United States have exceeded $157 billion. According to the sample Simpson hurricane
Not happy with you.
Category 1
oh my
contains
God.
winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, strong enough to knock over a tractor trailer.
No.
A Category 5 hurricane contains wind speeds of 155 miles per hour.
Oh my God.
In 2005, Hurricane Katrina swept across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Florida. This was a Category 3 hurricane, resulting in 2,500 deaths and approximately $89.6 billion in damages. The winds in this simulator only reach up to 74 miles per hour. Imagine being caught in winds greater than the ones you are about to experience. Get ready.
No, it's not. Look at my hair. No.
That's what she's really worried about. The hair. That way.
Oh.
How'd you enjoy that? How'd they show?
What's the category? It was actually really good.
Yeah. On the
No, go ahead.
She's more about anticipation.
No, it was going to mess up my hair, and I knew it.
It messed up her hair.
Yeah.
That's what she really worried about. It's fine.
Okay. Oh, am I still beautiful?
Very beautiful.
He's lying through his teeth.